In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to send a PDF file inside of Gmail. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Gmail on either your phone or PC. Then from here, it should bring something like this inside of the dashboard. Now from here, you'll need to create a mail, and you can do that by clicking Compose over here on the left-hand side. And then from here, if you want to attach a PDF into the email, you'll simply need to go down to this little attached file down here, this little clipping board. And then you'll need to find your PDF file that you want to attach into your mail. From here, you'll just need to click it and open it. And then from here, you can see down here that it will be attached. And then from here, you can add your recipient, your subject, and your email body down here. From here, you can click send, and then your recipient will get this PDF file sent to them. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See you!